everyone. We find ourselves in Tualatin, Oregon at the historic Winona Grange number 271 hall today, where we're getting ready to experience a concert from an exciting Celtic trio called Dréos. And I'm lucky enough to have the members of Dréos here with me. Welcome, guys. So Elliot, tell us about what's in a name, what does Dréos mean, and what kind of music you guys playing?
The word Dréos comes from the Scottish Gaelic meaning blaze, so kind of like the activity of a flame at the end of a candlestick, essentially. And you know, that was attractive to us because light kind of clarifies things. There's energy, there's motion in candlelight. And when we think about what we do, when we write new music, we're actually looking at the past in a way and trying to shed some light on that, and also trying to shed some light into the future as well by writing traditional new music in a Celtic style.
Let's talk about the instrumentation. What are we hearing in Dréos?
I play the fiddle, and I've been playing the fiddle since I was 6 years old, so it's definitely my specialty. More recently, I have on loan a 5-string violin, which I'll be playing tonight. Has 5 strings. The normal violin has just 4, has E, A, D, and G. This one has an extra C string on the bottom, so for all intents and purposes, it's a violin-viola hybrid. Does everything, so that's pretty cool.
So this evening I'll be playing the uilleann pipes, which is a type of bagpipe from Ireland. It originated around the mid-18th century, and the instrument I'll play today was made in America in the 20th century by a guy named Kirk Lynch in Missouri. I'll also be playing the Irish flute, which is an open-hold simple system flute made out of black wood. And I'll also be playing a variety of tin whistles, some low whistle and also some higher whistles.
Tonight I'll be mostly on guitar, and then also back on bouzouki, and then when things get a little hairy, pick up a drum and play a little bit of that too.
So what is the current album you guys have that you're in support of right now?
Well, we're working on another album that's a compilation of our original compositions and some traditional music. We just finished a recording called Odyssey of These Days, which is original music composed in response to 9 large abstract paintings by Wesley Hurd. So we're back in the studio working on this third album at the moment.
That's great. That was going to lead me up to one of my next questions is what's on the horizon for Dréos, not only for the rest of this year, but what are some of your hopes to do with the band in the future?
Well, yeah, right now we've got a lot of different things going on. I think there's kind of, some people might say that this last project we did, Odyssey These Days, might not fall directly into the folk tradition. And in a lot of ways it doesn't, but I think it does line up with what we want to do going forward, which is a combination of sort of other broader compositions that include more lengthy forms. Instead of writing only jigs and reels and Strasbass, we're also writing movements of, like, I guess not really sonatas, but that sort of thing, that have larger structures around them. So.
That's very cool. Sounds good. What's when people want to learn more about Dréos, where can they go? What social media, website?
Yeah, we have Facebook page. We have dreosmusic.com that people can visit, and all of us are pretty well plugged into things like Instagram and things like that. So dreosmusic.com would be the place to go for upcoming events, blogs, new music, and things like that.
Very exciting, guys. We're looking forward to the show tonight. And once again, remember, it's dreosmusic.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.